we will learning about the chicken. A study in the journal Public Library of Science 1 in 2010, said that the chicken has advantages that are not found in other animals. The excess is like an extra retinal cone that does not exist in humans. This retinal cone is able to analyze and distinguish additional colors. Scientists at Washington University, Dr. Joseph Corbo, mentioned the ability to see colors derived from the special light-sensing cells found in the retina. These cells, called cones, come in different flavors, each of which can detect different wavelengths of light. The discovery revealed that humans have 3 types of cones, which allow us to see red, green and blue. However, the chicken figure has an extra cone to see violet and ultraviolet rays. What's more, these chicken cones are distributed evenly throughout the retina, increasing the ability of birds to see colors throughout their visual fields. And angels are created from the light, in scientific language ultraviolet rays. That explains why chickens can see the angels.